Peppa and her friends are going on a train ride. Mr. Rabbit is the station master. How many tickets?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 child tickets and 1 teacher ticket. Now, do not lose these tickets yourself.
I see your tickets, please.
Oh dear people, you must be more careful.
Try not to lose it again. Miss Rabbit is the trainer. Must the children here to spot every visit on the activity sheet of this calendar. Is the question the worship?
I can see trees on the left. No. I can see clouds. All clouds are finished. No. I can see from that door.
Well, we were really late,
but you're saying
the children take the boat activity. Mr. Rabbit has come to check everyone's ticket. You try not to lose it again, then. Let's not be our shoe. The train is going slowly uphill. The train is going crunching down. It's no great special. It's not exactly that, but simple. This planet, we've pushed it.
Would you like to try the train first?
The children tick the signal box on their activity sheet as if they not. The signal man stops the train so that someone important last thing, we acted that is left from the outside. Everybody out! See if it's easy. The train has gone in a big circle. Tickets, please. That's omniscience. It's not.
Now.